Peace, y'all. Perpetual gratitude and high vibrations to all high frequency beings harmonizing in divine nature with the cosmos and planet Kai and all the original beings. Yo, when I tell y'all I be doing rituals and building stuff out of planet Kai, look at the structure here that I created. I can't stop building stuff. I may not have much to build with, but I'm gonna use the planet. We're gonna give back. And I just did a ritual for us. For us all. Look at this. I got you see that? Y'all know what that is? That's pyrite, okay? I'll transmute the energy down into planet Kai. You see I got that wire right there. I created and I got all these antennas surrounding. You see they all surrounding it. You see the little shadows. Let me get back a little bit. And you can kind of get a better picture of it. Like, you see this angle. Yeah, that look real good, y'all. The energy is powerful. I'm telling you. Y'all better tap in. And they gonna be like, look, he putting sticks together, nigga. Y'all don't understand how deep this get, man. I built this. It's not much, guys, but the intention behind it. The intention. The energy that's given off. Come on now. I need one more, right? Put that right there. Yeah. Perfect. Y'all see me in my structure, right? Can you see all the points surrounding it? I don't know if you can.
How you make it stay?
You gotta lay them against each other at angles. Look at that, y'all. With the pyrite on there. Within it. And it's a part of it. You see how it's going directly, pointed directly into the soil, going through that wire that I put right there, that wooden wire, transmute the energy. It's a good energy conductor. Wood is a great energy conductor. Y'all see these points. Look, I'm not playing. Yeah. Whoever destroys this structure purposely will be cursed. With 1,000 years of nothingness, or whatever the cosmos want to give them for, destroying this beautiful structure that I made for us, this ritual that I just did. I just wanted y'all to see that, man. We out here getting sunlight, nature, you know, hugging trees. And if you come over here, this is the perfect place you want to meditate. Let me show you this. This is a great spot to meditate. I'll put a little structure right here too. I'm right in the center and meditate right here with this little, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna do something. You think it's not, but it is. Sacred geometry, that's what they call it, huh? Man, look, I'm just in tune with nature, and I know what I'm doing. Got my memories back. Some of them. I'm not gonna say I have them all back, but I got some of them back. So we doing this, y'all. We out here in nature all the time, boy.
Hi, Daddy.